Hey there, welcome to Flowhub's December 2024 product update. I'm Layla, a product manager here at Flowhub. I hope you all had a great Green Wednesday and are gearing up for a busy holiday season. Some new features and improvements I'll be showing you today include Kiosk. You now have the ability to theme your menu from Flowhub. We've improved the customer identification workflow in Kiosk to get people through the kiosk a little bit quicker. And you now can show deals on product cards and the product description page for items on your kiosk. In addition, we've added in a highly requested Upsells by Budtender dashboard to our Budtender performance dashboard. This is great if you have a lot of order ahead orders and you're looking for a way to see how many times your Budtenders are adding more items to the cart than were just what were on the original order. We've also added in a compliance need. This allows you to have an alert or block under 18 medical sales at your dispensary. Some features I will not be showing you today, but I wanted to make sure you're aware of, include the option to only print exit labels for weighted items. So think your bulk flour or bulk concentrate that you're weighing out in front of the customer. We've also added in a setting where you can turn it on, and what this will do will make it so that your order ahead board will ding whenever a new order comes in. Previously, it was only alerting you when you were on different pages in the application. We've also added in the option for you to customize the names of your cart rounding fees. This just increases the transparency between your dispensary and your customers. Finally, we've fixed an issue with deals where you couldn't do a percentage off deal with the decimal place. So now you can have a 24.5% discount instead of just 24% or 25%. Let's jump into the demo. Now, if you have the e-com permission on your role in Flowhub, you'll see an option here for Kiosk. When I click on Kiosk here, you'll see you're brought to a self-service setup guide for everything that you need to do in order to get your dispensary set up with Kiosk on Flowhub. In order to customize your menu, you'll go ahead and press Start here. And then from there, you'll be brought to our theming page. We have a couple pre-rolled themes for you to use if any of these match your dispensary's color palette. But you also have the option here to completely customize your color palette depending on what your colors are at your dispensary. So for example, I can see here I'm on the kiosk page and I want to update the background color. I could click background here and you'll be brought to a color picker. You can choose the hex code, copy and paste it, or choose a color that most matches your dispensary as well right here. We've also added in a quick picker as well if you do decide to use any other theming to give you a quick option to choose some other colors if you'd like to. You also have the ability here to preview your kiosk. So if you wanted to click through and see what the different colors look like, you can press preview kiosk here, log in, and check out those new colors. Product discounts are now fully integrated into Kiosk as well to alert your customers on what deals are available for them on specific products. You can see here I have this Munchie Monday deal, and I want to go ahead and make sure that my customers know about this deal on the kiosk. When I scroll down, you'll notice a new section called Menus on your deals page. And what you'll need to do here is press this Promote Deal on Product Detail page. And then you can add in a description here as well. So maybe certain products aren't available for this deal, or you want to, add a little bit of a note in for your customers to read. You can go ahead and do that here. Once you mark this deal as active, it'll show up on the product cards in Kiosk along with the product description pages on each of your kiosk items as well. So here we are in the Flowhub kiosk experience. We can see that we've updated the icons here to match a more modern look and feel for a 2024 and beyond dispensary. You'll see that any items that are on sale have an on sale tag here, and when I hover over it, it'll tell me how many deals are available on that item. So if we take a look at this atomic apple, we'll see in the deals section that there's 2 deals that could apply to this item, the holiday 20% off. When I click on that, it'll tell me the description that you've set up in your deals backend for what that deal is. Same with Munchie Monday, and I'm going to add another one to the cart. When the customer is ready to check out, they'll be brought to the cart screen here, and they'll enter in their name. In this case, Chelsea Handler is coming to shop at our dispensary. She'll enter in her phone number. And if we found a match to Chelsea in our database based off of phone number, they'd see their loyalty points show up here as well that they could use. But in this case, Chelsea's a new customer or doesn't have her profile associated yet. So they'll just be seeing those options for best sellers to upsell. Go ahead and add this fig bar to the cart. And once I'm ready to check out, I'll go ahead and press finish order here. And my order is now in for the dispensary to fulfill. For any orders that come into your order ahead board here in Flowhub that come from a kiosk or an e-com provider, if Flowhub cannot find a match for that customer based off of phone number, name, med ID, etc., Flowhub will require your Budtenders to manually match that kiosk customer profile to a customer profile that exists in your store. So for example, Chelsea comes in and she gets her ID scanned by the Greet app, and Chelsea's now in the queue, but her customer profile from Kiosk isn't associated with the customer profile that exists in your Flowhub yet. All you have to do is press checkout here, and you'll get a notification that Chelsea was created via Kiosk or via order ahead, whichever one it may be. You'll see their information here, and your Budtender has the option to either use this profile, which will create a profile for Chelsea, or merge Chelsea with another customer. When I click merge here, Flowhub will try and find the match that it can first, which would be this Chelsea handler. Otherwise, you can search your customer profiles here to find the correct customer profile to match this one with. So I'll go ahead and press merge here. And from there, you'll now see that the Chelsea profile from Kiosk is associated with Chelsea Handler's profile here. What this allows you to do is, add in some rewards here, upsell on any other items, and gives Chelsea any of those specific deals, such as, let's say, veterans discount, that weren't associated with her profile when she created the kiosk order. Here in our Budtender sales performance dashboard, we've added in a chart here to start tracking your upsells by Budtender. So this is for our dispensaries that utilize order ahead, delivery, kiosk, and order fulfillment models at their dispensary. What this will show you is how much of an upsell on each order and how many upsells in general that Budtender has completed. This is really valuable information because the customers that are already in your store are the customers that are most likely to be making higher purchases. So for example, if I placed an order on the kiosk for, let's say, just a joint, the Budtender has a good opportunity here to upsell me a lighter, maybe an eighth, or for example, maybe I bought a cartridge. This is a good opportunity for the Budtender to say, hey, do you need a battery with that cartridge? This gives you some really great data to see which of your Budtenders are upselling the most, and also start to train those that, like myself here, that maybe need to upsell a little bit more. When you hover over someone's name, such as Roland Joints, our top selling upseller here at our Blaze and Infused dispensary, we can see how much they've upsold, how many items they've upsold, along with some other information with carts, profit, and totals as well. With compliance being at the forefront of everything we do here at Flowhub, we've added in a new feature to either block or alert your Budtenders of an under 18 customer coming into your dispensary. So we can see here I have Medical Mandy, and she's highlighted in red because she's under 18. When I click on her to check her in, you'll get an alert saying that the customer's underage, and you have the option to either check them in or not check them in. If you'd like to block all under 18 customers from coming here to your dispensary, go ahead and click on Store Settings, come to Customers, and turn on this Block Med Customers under 18 setting. You'll see now that when I try to click on Medical Mandy here, I cannot because she's under 18. And the only way for me to do anything about this would be to update her account so that way she is over 18 based off of this message here. Thanks so much for tuning in to the December 2024 product update. If you'd like to hear more about the features that we're releasing in our platform improvements, please go ahead and subscribe to our release notes at releasenotes.flowhub.com. If you'd like to get help from a real human, you can email our support email at help@flowhub.com or use the in-app chat in the Maui application by clicking the question mark icon, and you can chat directly with one of our product support agents there. In addition, check out our Help Hub at help.flowhub.com to get more information on all things Flowhub. I hope the holiday season for you is busy with lots of sales, and really looking forward to showing you everything Flowhub has coming in 2025. Have a great month. Bye.